Hi, and a very good morning to my beloved students from 4 Saidina Osman. It's me, Sir Ayman. How are you guys doing today? It's been 2 weeks since I last saw you due to this holiday. And today, I'm going to teach you about English subject. And today, we'll be learning about my favorite animal. Okay? Are you guys ready? Good. So, now, I have a flashcard here. Can you guess what animal is it? Yes, this is an elephant. So, this elephant is my favorite animal. Okay, I'm going to describe this animal to you. So, elephants live in Africa. And elephants have a trunk, which is this long nose here. This is the trunk. 2 tusks, which is this 2 white color thing here. We spell it as Tusks. And elephants have a pair of big ears. Here, 2 big ears and 4 long legs. Elephants, they eat plants or leaves. So, what do we call animals that eat plants or leaves? Do you still remember the 3 types of animal that I taught you before the holiday? Yes. So, we have carnivore, herbivore, and omnivore. So, this elephant is a herbivore. Very good. And this elephant here is big. So, what is big? Do you still remember the adjective that I taught you? Big means besar. Yes. And the elephant is tall. So, tall here means tinggi. Very good. Okay. Now, you already know about what is my favorite animal and what is about this elephant here. So now, you must be wondering, what is this, right? Okay. Now, I want you guys to help me fill in the blanks about my favorite animal then. So, what is my favorite animal name just now? Yes, elephant. How do you spell elephant? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Very good. Okay, so now we'll start filling in the blanks. Okay, this is my favorite animal, which is the elephant. It lives in Africa. Very good. Africa. Africa. It has got, what does the elephant have? Yes, it has a trunk and tusks. Very good. How do you spell tusks? T-U-S-K-S. Very good. It eats, yes, it eats plants or leaves. Okay, how do we describe my animal here? It's what and what? Yes, it's tall, T-A-L-L, which means tinggi, and yes, big, B-I-G, which means besar. Okay, so now I want you guys to open your textbook to page 87. Okay, so take out your textbook here, and I want you guys to open to page 87. Okay, as you can see, there is a text here. It is not my favorite animal, but it's Hina's favorite animal. Now, I'm going to read this text aloud, and I want you guys to read slowly in front of your phone. Can you do that? Okay, are you guys ready? Okay, we'll start reading the text now. My favorite animal. Malayan tigers live in forests in Malaysia and parts of Thailand. So, forest here means jungle ataupun hutan. They are orange with black stripes. So, orange maksud dia orange dan black stripes maksud dia belang hitam. Hitam tu black, stripes tu belang. Okay, black stripes. Malayan tigers are smaller than many other tigers, but they are very strong. Malayan tigers are very good hunters. They can hunt and eat large animals such as monkeys, deer or goats. Okay, hunt maksud dia buru ataupun memburu. Tapi hunters maksud dia pemburu. Okay, hunt tu work. Hunt, we hunt for something. Kita memburu makanan. Dan pemburu ni dan hunters iaitu pemburu, yang itu kata nama, which is noun. Understand? Hunt is the verb and hunters is the noun. Buru dan pemburu. They can hunt for large animals such as monkeys, deers or goat. Okay, monkeys tu monyet, deer tu rusa, and goat tu kambing. Okay. They can even eat small animals. They can even eat small elephants. Okay, tiger ni badan dia kecil daripada elephant, tapi dia boleh makan elephant yang kecil. Contoh dia, for example, like this small animal here, this small elephant here. Tiger dia boleh makan yang kecil ni, tapi yang besar ni susah. Okay, Malayan tigers like to swim and play in rivers and lakes. Okay, river sungai, okay, and lake maksud dia tasik. Faham tak tasik? Okay, tasik. I like Malayan tigers because they are very strong and beautiful animals. Okay, so there is one more thing I want to teach you in this text. Can you see here large animals? Okay, large animals. So large maksud dia big. Okay, when you go to McDonald's, when you want to upgrade your meal, you'll say I want a large meal. So maksud dia awak nak meal yang lebih besar. I want a big meal. So that's the meaning. They hunt and eat large animals such as monkeys, deer or goats. Okay, so do you understand the text? If you understand the text, I want to ask you a simple 3 questions here. First question, what's Kina's favorite animals? Yes, it is the Malayan tiger. Very good. The second one, what color is it? Yes, it is orange with black stripes. Very good. How do you spell stripe? S-T-R-I-P-E-S. Very good. And the last question, what does it eat? Yes, it eats large animals such as goats, deers, monkeys, and what is this? Yes, it also eats small elephants. Very, very good. Very good, students. You answer my 3 questions perfectly and correctly. So now, before I give you any exercises, I want to recap the lesson that we have learned today. Okay, so we learned about Malayan tigers. Where do they live? In a forest. What color are them? Orange with black stripes. Are Malayan tigers smaller than other tigers? Yes, but they are strong. Very good. Malayan tigers are good hunters and good swimmers. So they can hunt for food and they can swim in the river and lake. Okay, very good. So now I want to tell you what is the moral value of this story. The moral value of this story is we must love all of our animals because animals, they bring us unseen benefits. For example, like they keep our earth green and they preserve our food chain as well. And there are so many other reasons. So what I can tell you is, whenever you see a tiger in your life, don't go and hunt for it. Instead, run for your life. Okay? Okay, so the exercise for today is very simple. Can you see activity 2 below it? Okay. I want you guys to do activity 2 in your notebook, which is the small book, not the pink book, okay? The small notebook. And I want you guys to take a photo after you finish this exercise. The photo or maybe your answers will be the evidence for your attendance for today's class. Understand? After you finish this exercise in your notebook, snap a picture and send it to me so that I will record your attendance and also mark your exercise as well. So for activity 2, there are 5 questions, all simple questions. First one, where do they live? The second one, what do they look like? The third one, what do they eat? The fourth one, interesting facts. Okay, for interesting facts, maksudnya apa yang anda rasa menarik tentang tiger? When you see this tiger, what do you feel? That is very interesting. And the last one, why do you like them? Okay, just 5 simple questions. I want you guys to do in the notebook and send it to me. Okay? And that's all for today's class. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and I'll see you guys in the next lesson. Bye everyone.